Hi guys, welcome back to another video from the Crazy Foursome. So this is a bit of a longer vlog than normal. It is our moving house vlog, yay! So our day started with going to B&M, well once the kids had all gone to school etc. B&M because we wanted to have a look at the homewares, we need new curtains etc. for our house. So we went to have a look at what they had in stock. We looked at the homewares, the kids sort of bits for home, all those sorts of bits, curtains, curtain rails, and then I went to go and look in the garden section. And guess what? I got the email, I think it was, to say it had all gone through successfully and we had brought the house. Now this was, I almost ran across Home Bargains. I'm not normally one for showing emotions like that or embarrassing myself, but it was the best news because as much as we loved our house that we returned to after 8-9 years, however long it was we were in New Zealand, we needed more space. The kids are growing. That house wasn't big enough. We've got 2 living rooms here. I've got my own office. We've all got our own bedrooms, multiple bathrooms. Now, it's been a long time coming, but we need that space with the different needs of our children. They need their own rooms to be able to have their downtime, have their space from each other. So they've now all got that. We've also got the 2 lounges, which is amazing. I will do a tour to show you that at some point, what this house is like. We're just trying to get things finished. As well, we brought and sold various houses in New Zealand, which has allowed us to arrive in the UK and be able to do this. Now, we were hoping that would happen a lot quicker than it did. However, because we'd spent that time overseas sorting it all out and being able to buy a house took a little bit longer than anticipated. Thankfully, I believe because of that, it meant we were able to buy the right house. So this video will show us, well, you'll be seeing different bits, but our B&M trip, range, we also went to the range to have a little look around. Great going to these places with our kids because you're not going to trying to pull you to buy toys and crafts and treats and whatever else. We just got to have a nice look, which was quite cool. So we did that. Then by the time we got home, we had some lunch and then we had to go and get the keys and have a look around this house and a nice big bow on it. We were so happy, so excited to be in. And to be fair, this house has hardly had anything wrong with it, which we're really, really pleased with, because with new builds you expect to have snags and problems. There have been little bits, but to be fair, I think you get that even in an existing house if you brought it, so we're so pleased. So that was that. Then when we got the kids, we brought them to the house so they could have a look. We knew we weren't moving in on the Friday because there was no flooring. So that then meant over the weekend we had to do our own move. And the reason we had to do our own move was because the dates of moving, the issues we had with buying this house meant I wasn't able to arrange removal people in time, and I was hoping to use removal people. However, we ended up doing it ourselves and it did take the weekend. It was quite a big job. But we're now in, getting unpacked, got all our own spaces, curtains up. Gav's got his gym, which he's quite happy about. I'm sure he'll do a vlog once he gets that all set up properly. We've got a few more boxes in the lounge to unpack and a few in the garage, but apart from that, we've done quite well. I do need to buy a few things for the house, but, you know, it is what it is. We also, in here as well, you will see my haul from Argos, because I brought some bits for my utility, or you could call it a laundry room, to make it more organised. Now, one of my biggest issues for being a full-time working mum, sorry, I'm a full-time mum, because, you know, our children are here all the time, apart from when they're at school, etc., is laundry. It drives me insane, because the house can be tidy, we can keep it tidy, put things away, but laundry we've just always got so much of it. So I've got them each their own little basket, so as soon as clothes are washed and ready, we fold them, put them in, they go in the rooms, and then the same when I do ironing, it goes into their little baskets and away. It's the best system I've ever had, I believe. And then I have a laundry basket for upstairs and a laundry basket for downstairs where I put clean stuff. and washing just gets done. I still need to get a proper washing line up in this house because the grass has only been up. It got put in about 2 weeks after we moved in, and we're not allowed to go on it, so we're just waiting for all that to settle, then we can have a line. I do have a rotary one, but I need a better base for it. However, it's done nothing but rain recently, so we're enjoying the rain, and the grass is loving the rain. You will also see from this, I got a pink stuff haul. Well, my little haul. Gavin went, where did he go? Did he go to Home Bargains or B&M? I can't quite remember. And he picked up a whole lot of the pink stuff. He picked up a mirror for the bathroom. He picked up other bits and pieces from the house. He had a great time buying plates and stuff that we needed extra of because now we've got a dishwasher. Things run out a lot quicker, so we've stocked up on bits and pieces. And he did his own little haul, so he enjoyed doing that shop. So they were just bits to make the house nicer. So it is all coming together. It's a bit crazy moving house. I'm still trying to lose weight, trying to meal prep, trying to be healthy, which I'm doing. Now my blender's got a UK plug in it. I will be probably living off smoothings and bits and pieces like that because I do quite like them. I can add my protein in, etc. to give me that fillingness, and it gets me more goodness in than just trying to eat all the fruit and veg. So that's something I'm going to look for recipes. So if you've got any, comment down below. But yeah, guys, just enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I hope you're all doing okay. You'll see me doing lots and lots of cleaning. I'm actually enjoying using my pink stuff and my little buzzy brush everywhere. It's doing it, keeping my glass shower screens amazingly clean. Keeping this house clean is actually quite easy, even though it's a bigger house, because things generally do have a place. Now the kids we've got that lounge where we've dedicated sort of to their stuff, and everything seems to get put away. They've all got cupboards, etc. Like I say, I will do a reveal of how I keep myself organised. I do need to get some more bits for my kitchen because everything's just been shoved in cupboards, to be quite honest. So I need some proper storage and organisation in there. But it will all happen. Everything happens in its own time. But I must say, I loved our little house. It just had so many memories. And I guess if we would have only had 1 or 2 children, we probably would have stayed. But having 3 children, and the pets that they've got, etc., and the age gaps between them, they do need their own space. So we've been lucky enough. We've worked hard over the years to buy and sell a few properties to give us a decent amount of income to be able to do this and buy this amazing house that I hope we can stay in for a very, very long time, and the kids can settle. They can have friends around. It's a nice little neighbourhood, subdivision, whatever you want to call it. There's a nice park, etc. around. Most stuff on our doorstep now. So I'm going to keep up with the weight loss as well. I did mention it slightly. I think I've lost about 4 kgs in all. And so that's making me feel better. Because obviously when you have children, I didn't really gain too much from the children, etc. But I kind of having 3 children. It's made me a little bit, my body's changed. So being able to work on that and get fitter is what I aim to do. At least this house, we have the room, so if I can't get to the gym, I can hopefully do stuff at home, which I have been doing. We've got the gym in the garage, which Gavin's going to renovate fully. We've got bits I can use in there. So guys, anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, loving the cleaning bits, loving the moving, comment, like, share, do what you can to support us. Lots of love. Bye-bye.